In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Proton VPN. If you want a simple way to get Proton VPN set up on your computer, this process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can download, install, and start using it on either a Windows PC or a Mac. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Proton VPN download page. It's important to use the official download page so you know you're getting the correct and most up-to-date installer directly from the source. Once the page loads, look for the option that matches your computer. If you're using Windows, click Download for Windows. If you're using a Mac, click Download for Mac OS. As soon as you select the correct version, the installer file will begin downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so just wait for the file to finish downloading completely before moving on. After the download is complete, open the downloaded file. On Windows, this will usually be an .exe file, so you can simply double-click it to begin the installation. On a Mac, open the DMG file first. Then, when the installation window appears, drag Proton VPN into the Applications folder. That's the standard method for installing many macOS apps, so make sure the app is fully copied over before closing the window. Next, follow the installation instructions shown on your screen. These prompts may vary slightly depending on whether you're on Windows or Mac, but in general, you'll just need to approve the installation and allow the app to be added to your system. If your computer asks for permission to continue, go ahead and confirm it so the installation can finish properly. Once the installation is complete, launch Proton VPN. You can open it right away from the installer or find it later in your Start menu on Windows or in the Applications folder on Mac. When Proton VPN opens, sign in with your Proton account. If you don't already have one, you can create a free account and then log in. Take your time here and make sure your login details are entered correctly. After signing in, click Quick Connect. This will automatically connect you to the fastest available VPN server, which is the easiest way to get started right away without manually choosing a location. And that's it. Proton VPN is now downloaded, installed, and connected on your computer.